Hello geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. I hope you're well. Today I've been for a paddle on Pocklington Canal and I've launched from a different location to our normally launch. This is Melbourne Basin. And just look at this. I'll put the image on the screen. Literally right next to where I've parked, there's a geocache. And do you know what? I've already found it. I've already had a quick look for it, but I'll just go and get it so that I can do the log. Found it. Now thankfully, part of my EDC, everyday carry, is the Victorinox Compact, and it has a pen in it and a pair of tweezers. So always a handy little tool to have with you for a bit of spontaneous geocaching. And even better when there's a pencil in the cache. Timed it, logged it, popped it back. Right, there's another one about 400 metres away. Let's go and have a look while we're here, right? So as I say, I'm down by Pocklington Canal, and today the little canal trip boat's been quite popular. I didn't even know this existed until today. Such a nice area, isn't it, this basin? So yeah, good place to come if you fancy a boat trip and doing a bit of geocaching. A couple of hard shell enthusiasts knocking about somewhere. Right, gotta get across this bridge. And it's down here somewhere. Let's have a quick shufty at the app. You can see that it says about 380 metres, which is good, it means we're heading in the right direction. Gotta say, it's a lovely day for walking by this canal and doing a bit of geocaching, of course. Just past those muggles there, walking a doggle, and about 250 metres away, according to the Apparuni. It is kind of weird walking by this canal because I've only ever paddled on it, not walked by it. If my luck holds out, there won't be any more muggles on this path. Glorious with the sun out, isn't it? About 70 metres away. Just enjoying the walk, to be honest. 20 metres. It's a bit of a fight to get to this one through all this bush, but I'm pleased to say, look at that, it's a big one. Found it, found it. This is one of those where you have to kind of furtively climb out of some bushes and hope nobody wonders what you've been up to. Yeah, look natural, Carl, look natural. I think I got away with it. I've signed it, logged it, popped it back. I'm only doing those two today because I was just in the area, so this is going to be a little short geocache hunt video because I just happened to be in the area and I just happened to look on the app. And I don't know about you, but I think that's one of the great things about geocaching is when you spontaneously pop up somewhere, spontaneously check the app and spontaneously find some geocaches. Just makes your day a bit better. Alright, that's all for now. You know what to do about liking, subscribing, blah blah blah. Alright, you take care of yourself. Cheerio.